Look at those bamboo straight legs, painting tiny ripples in the shallows. Its neck curves like a bow as it dips, beak, tapping the surface, whispering secrets to the river. The first solo of the wetland dawn. Rosgalad. Forms glide near. The spoonbill's paddlebill sifts the mud. Catching a glance from its long-legged neighbor, one strides gracefully. One forages steadily, wetland morning music, born from two kinds of calm. When slender silhouette meets pink plumage glow, sunlight spills gold over the water. Turns out, nature's elegance needs no rehearsal.